Three, two, one.
So hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Well, my name is Virat and you're watching VIRAT Kids. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial to make Spider-Man brand new day web shooters trigger. Well, if you're watching my channel from a while ago, then you have already known that I've created this Spider-Man's web shooter probably a week ago. So in that video I showed you a very simple tutorial to build this web shooter only with some velcros and cardboard pieces, and this was actually pretty simple to build. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this web shooter's trigger. As you can see this extended part right here, well, it's the trigger mechanism of this whole shooting mechanism, which is formed here in the nozzle. So this is actually pretty simple, just as the web shooter tutorial which I gave in my previous video of mine. So if you want to watch that video, then you can just click here on the I button, so you can just watch that video, or you can just go to my channel and watch that video there. If I can leave the link of my that video in the comment section of this video. So let us start the video. If you want, then you can just shorten the bullet. It won't affect because of the spring part. Well, it's quite optional, so if you want, then you can just do this, or if you don't, then it's okay.